Mysore Road is an important stretch that provides easy and enhanced connectivity to localities in West Bengaluru. Come, let's check out the infrastructure, connectivity and development indexes along with the civic issues, if any, in Mysore Road. Hello, I'm Priyanka Rachaya. Welcome to this locality, that project.
The 15-kilometer stretch that starts from Bengaluru Central, that's near Town Hall, till the Nice Junction in Kengeri is called the Mysore Road. Mysore Road encompasses the BGS flyover and converges into State Highway 17. This stretch is lined by many established areas like KR Market, Vijayanagar, Bapuji Nagar, Chandra Layout, Nayandahalli, Nagar Bavi, Kengeri and Rajarajeshwari Nagar. Many localities on Mysore Road have good Kaveri water connectivity, wherein water is supplied every alternate day. Vyatarayanapura and Jnanabharati houses the prominent police stations here. Well-known educational institutions like Orchids International School, Marigold International School, Christ University and RV Engineering Colleges are located along this stretch. BGS and Rajarajeshwari hospitals are the two important multi-speciality hospitals located here. Other than these, Fortis and GM hospitals are situated just within 3 kilometers from the Nayandahalli metro station in Nagar Bavi. There are n number of shopping options available on Mysore Road. KR Market, evening and weekly farmer markets along this stretch can be your go-to destination for fresh veggies and fruits. And for leisure and weekend entertainment, you can head to the Gopalan Legacy Mall, Gopalan Arcade Mall and Decathlon, located within a distance of 1.7 to 6.1 kilometers from the Sirsi Circle. Nice Road and the Outer Ring Road connect Mysore Road to the rest of the city. Mysore Road Satellite Bus Stop and the Kengeri Satellite Bus Stop are the two major bus terminals having good frequency of KSRTC and BMTC buses. Cabs and autos too are easily available here. While Kengeri houses the nearest railway station at a distance of 1.7 kilometers from the Kengeri Satellite Bus Stop, Mysore Road has a total of 2 metro stations as of now, that is the KR Market and the Mysore Road metro stations. It will be extended till Kengeri in the next couple of months and till Challagatta by 2022. Global Village Tech Park is the major IT hub on Mysore Road. Bidadi and Kumbhalgodu industrial areas are located within a distance of 7.6 and 20.7 kilometers. One can also take the Nice Road from Kengeri or Hoskerehalli and the metro from Nayandahalli metro station to reach their work destinations in Electronic City, CBD and Bayappanahalli. Expansion of Bangalore-Mysore National Highway into a 10-lane economic corridor, extension of Purple Line Metro till Challagatta and the major arterial road projects are expected to provide economic boosters and strengthen the infrastructure here.
46% of the properties in Mysore Road are multi-story apartments. 2 BHK is the most common room configuration in this locality and accounts for approximately 44%. For more information on the type of properties available on Mysore Road, its price range and much more, log into www.magicbricks.com. The URL is provided in the description box as well.
While the sewage and water facilities are good in Mysore Road, your only cause of concerns will be peak hour traffic and waterlogging during monsoons. Excellent connectivity and transport facilities, good social infrastructure and the prospects of upcoming infrastructure projects are the major reasons that are driving real estate buyers towards Mysore Road. However, traffic congestion and bad roads, especially during monsoons, might disappoint you to an extent. Subscribe to MBTV for more such information pertaining to Bengaluru real estate. This is Priyanka Rachaya signing off with camera person Pragat.